Hello and welcome to Mastering CentOS 7 Linux video series. In this lesson, we will be looking into SELinux and its mode of operations. So in this lesson, we will cover what is SELinux and its modes of operation. And finally, we will be looking into how to change modes of operation in SELinux. So first of all, what is SELinux? SELinux is an advanced access control mechanism built into CentOS 7 Linux distributions. It was initially developed by the US National Security Agency to protect computer systems from malicious intrusion and tampering. Over time, SELinux was released in the public domain, and various distributions have since incorporated it in their source code. SELinux implements Mac mandatory access control. For more details about the Mac, please visit the below link. There are three modes of operation of SELinux. The first is enforcing. It is a default mode which will enable and enforce the SELinux security policy on the system. The second one is the permissive mode. SELinux is enabled in the permissive mode, but it will not enforce the security policy. It will only warn and log actions are stored. In permissive mode is useful for troubleshooting SELinux issues. The third mode is the disabled mode. In this mode, SELinux is completely turned off. You can find these configurations in etc SELinux config file. So if we go to etc SELinux config file, as you can see, this file is self-explanatory. You can change any mod in the SELinux file here. So that's it for this lesson.